Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak Better Daily. I'm Lena and I'm really happy you're here.
And I'm Tom. Great to see you again. Today we're jumping into real office English, stuff you actually need at work.
Yes, not textbook sentences like the monkey is eating a banana.
Unless your job involves monkeys, then great.
Most jobs don't. So let's talk about reports, summaries, polite emails, small talk, and ending the workday like a professional.
Let's get into it.
Tom, yesterday I had to read a long report and I had no idea where to start.
Classic mistake. You don't start at the beginning.
What? That sounds illegal.
No, you scan. You look at the title, the big headings, the subheadings, just to understand the structure.
So I don't need to read every sentence?
Not unless you enjoy pain.
I do not.
Good. Scan first, read second.
Reports always use dramatic words, like the results indicate. Why not just say the results show?
Because business English loves sounding important, but the meaning is simple.
What about a significant increase?
That means it went up a lot.
And a slight decrease?
It went down a little.
So it's normal English but with a tie on.
Exactly. A tie and a serious face.
Sometimes I read a sentence and think, nope, my brain is not available right now.
That's normal. Don't panic. Focus on the idea, not every word.
But what if one word blocks me?
Then ignore it. Look at the words around it. Your brain will guess.
So 100% understanding isn't necessary?
Not at all. Aim for the main message.
I need help with summaries. I always write too much.
Most people do. A summary should be short, like really short.
How short?
Imagine you have only 1 minute to explain the report.
Oh wow, that changes things.
Try it.
Okay. This report explains our website performance. Traffic increased and customers stayed longer. Next month, we'll update the design.
That's perfect. Clear and fast.
Emails really stress me out. I never know how polite to be. Sometimes I write a message, delete it, rewrite it, and it still feels wrong.
Totally normal. Everyone overthinks emails. But the truth is, you don't need to sound super formal. You just need to sound clear and polite.
So not like, "Dear sir, I am writing to inform you."
No, please no. You can just say, "Hi, Sarah. Here's a quick update." Or, "Good morning. Thanks for your message." Simple and friendly works best.
That already feels easier. What about ending emails? I never know how to finish them.
Easy. Try, "Let me know if you have questions," or "Happy to help," or "Please feel free to reach out." Polite, but not too long.
And what if I need to correct something? I always feel rude.
Use soft phrases like, "I think there might be a small mistake here," or "Could we double check this part?" That keeps things professional but gentle.
Oh, that really helps. I feel like I can breathe now.
Good. Just remember, clear, polite, simple. That's all you need for great emails.
Clear, polite, simple. Okay, I can definitely do that. Tom, I need help with something. Giving feedback at work is so uncomfortable for me. I never know how to say things politely.
Oh, same. Giving feedback is like trying to clean a window without leaving any streaks. Tricky, but possible.
I always worry the other person will think I'm criticizing them.
That's why English has soft language. It's like emotional bubble wrap. You say the truth, but in a gentle way.
Okay, give me an example.
Instead of saying, "This part is wrong," you could say, "I think this part might need a little adjustment." It means the same thing, but it sounds much kinder.
Oh, that really does sound softer. What about when I want to suggest a different idea?
Then try something like, "What if we try another approach?" Or, "Maybe we could look at this section again." It keeps the conversation positive.
I like that. It feels like teamwork, not criticism.
Exactly. Feedback doesn't need to feel like an attack. It can feel like collaboration.
What about when something looks really good? I want to be encouraging too.
Then say it directly. "This part looks great," or "Nice work here." People love hearing that, and it makes the feedback moment more balanced.
That's true. When someone compliments me first, I'm more open to hearing suggestions.
Right. We all relax a little. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to help each other.
I really like this approach. Gentle, collaborative, positive. That's something I can actually use tomorrow.
And that's the whole point. Feedback becomes easy when you stop thinking, I'm criticizing, and start thinking, I'm supporting.
I love that. Supporting, not criticizing.
Exactly. And trust me, your coworkers will feel the difference.
Lena, can I confess something? Small talk used to scare me more than big presentations.
Really? Small talk is tiny. It's right there in the name. Small.
I know, but that's the problem. It feels unscripted. No plan, no structure, just humans talking.
Okay, fair point. But small talk is actually one of the easiest ways to practice English. No pressure, no long answers, just friendly conversation.
I'm slowly learning that. Like this morning, I tried a new line with a coworker. I said, "Hey, how's your morning going?" And he actually smiled and started talking about his dog.
See? Dogs make everything easier. Small talk with pets involved is the best kind.
True. And I realized something. Small talk isn't about saying something brilliant. It's just about connecting.
Exactly. You can talk about simple things, weather, weekend plans, coffee, something funny that happened on the way to work. People love everyday topics.
Yeah, like yesterday, I said, "It feels like Monday today, even though it was Wednesday." Everyone laughed and agreed.
That's perfect. Shared suffering is powerful bonding.
Yes, the universal language of being tired.
And the best part is, small talk makes work feel more human. It makes meetings smoother, teamwork easier, and the office less awkward.
I noticed that. When you break the ice with a little small talk, the rest of the conversation flows naturally, even the serious stuff.
Totally. And you don't need long answers. Short and friendly works perfectly.
You know what? I think I'm starting to enjoy small talk.
Look at you becoming social. I'm proud.
Haha, one baby step at a time.
Honestly, that's all small talk is, tiny steps toward building connections.
Tom, do you ever get that magical feeling at the end of the workday? The moment you look at the clock and think, yes, freedom is near.
Oh, absolutely. At 4:59, my soul is already halfway home. My body is in the office, but my spirit is on the sofa.
Exactly. But ending the workday in English also has its own little phrases, right? You can't just disappear.
No, sadly, you need to sound polite before you escape. My go-to is, "All right, everyone, I'm heading out. See you tomorrow."
That's a good one. I usually say, have a good evening or thanks for today. It feels warm, but not dramatic.
I sometimes add, "Let me know if anything urgent comes up tomorrow." It makes me sound responsible, even if I'm actually running home to eat snacks.
Fake professionalism. I love it. And if someone else leaves first, I always say good night or get home safe.
Yes, those small phrases make the office feel friendly. Ending the day politely is almost like closing a book. You put a period at the end of the sentence.
And it helps your brain relax too. When I tidy my desk and say my goodbyes, I feel like I officially switch from work mode to life mode.
Same here. That tiny ritual makes such a difference. I take a last sip of water, close my laptop, and say, "All right, that's it for me." And boom, workday over.
Do you ever struggle to stop thinking about work after you leave?
Sometimes, yes, but I try not to bring work home mentally. The moment I close the office door, I tell myself, today is done, tomorrow is another story.
That's a really healthy mindset. I should try that instead of replaying emails in my head for 2 hours.
Yes, let the emails wait. When you end the day well, the evening feels so much better.
Exactly. Ending the workday politely and mentally switching off, that's real work-life balance.